A common question generally asked by our customers is what is the difference between the Sinc3 and Sinc4 digital filter options that are available on some of our Σ-Δ analog to digital converters. To answer this question, we will use the Virtual Eval online tool. Virtual Eval will allow the user to understand the differences and trade-offs between the digital filter options. To demonstrate this, we will use our latest offering in our Σ-Δ precision analog to digital converters, the AD7124-4. Starting out, we configured the AD7124 in full power mode. If we now select the Sinc4 filter and an FS of 384, this is the equivalent of selecting an output data rate of 50 samples per second. Looking at the Sinc4 results presented by Virtual Eval, we can see that the RMS noise is 480 nanovolts and the peak-to-peak resolution is 20.58 bits. Clicking on the HFF response tab, we see that the rejection obtained at 50 Hz is 134 dB. Looking at the timing diagram, we see that the T-settle is 80.15 milliseconds. We now look at the Sinc4. If we now use the Virtual Eval tool to select the Sinc3 filter, after running, we see that the RMS noise is 530 nanovolts and the peak-to-peak resolution is 20.53 bits, a little higher than the Sinc4 filter. If we look at the HFF response tab, we now see that the rejection at 50 Hz is 100 dB, again slightly degraded on the Sinc4 filter. If we look at the timing, we see that the settling time is now 60.15 milliseconds. Therefore, Virtual Eval has just shown us the trade-offs and differences between the Sinc3 and Sinc4 filter, in that you get better noise performance and better rejection with the Sinc4 filter versus the Sinc3 filter for this selected output data rate. However, the Sinc3 filter settles faster than the Sinc4 filter. Shown here is a summary of the results that were obtained using the Virtual Eval tool. We can easily use the Virtual Eval tool to understand the trade-offs between the different filter types.